Hi. We haven't connected in a few days, have we? And I didn't know the seat was wet, so... Some of you are asking about the squirrels, and here we are. Whoops, we have another one. Who we got? Not gonna do a live today, I don't think. I am thoroughly exhausted. Yesterday pretty much wiped me out, so... You gotta turn and watch your buddy. Oh. Hey there, come over here. Come get you some peanuts. I'll give you guys extra later. It's Christmas. Come here. Get you some peanuts. The peanuts are not going to bite you. Come back. Come back. Come here. Let's see if I can get him in the same shot. Come here. Come on. I'm gonna have to do another short. How come your buddy doesn't want to come up here? Oh, come on. You try.